In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen refresh rate. First, open Settings and scroll to click on this section here called Display and Brightness. Now, scroll again, choose Screen Refresh Rate available here, and when you're ready, tap on any of those: Auto Switch, Standard, or High. If you decided to select High, you will notice this option, Customize App Refresh Rate, will be available. Tap on it, and then decide if you want to allow or deny any app access to high refresh rate. For example, if you don't want your Facebook to use it, click on it and switch it to one of those. Then hit OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!